Cast you've ever seen.
Alright, watch him land right there.
You can't do it like
I did the furthest cast.
You just got exposed. How does it feel? I just zoomed in extremely far in your face.
Okay. This.
Alright. Here. Who's gonna spin first?
Oh.
Okay,
You're gonna spin first?
Whose pole do we want to use? Do we want to use mine?
No, we're all just gonna we're all gonna use our own poles.
Cause mine's like the best.
Okay,
We all know that. Like,
All right.
Dude,
mine
I've only used twice. I would
Okay.
say mine is.
mine's the best. Mine was like $110. I'm pretty sure.
Does it matter about price? Like that.
Grasshopper.
Grasshopper?
I don't have a grasshopper.
No, I do. That's why we're gonna use mine. I have like one of everything.
Grasshopper.
All right.
Too. Your turn, Isaac.
What do I do?
Now just spin it. Well, so I should have taken the grasshopper one off, but we'll just, if you get a MEP spinner, alright.
What the heck is that?
You can spin next. I'll help rig up, well, show it. Oh. Jake's domino. Alright, this is mine.
You're lucky, Ethan.
Who's Jake's domino?
Oh my god. It's a lure, smart one. And I got a Rapala. Ooh. Alright, so we're gonna rig up canyons first.
Grasshopper right here.
Yep. You can pick whichever one you want.
You're freaking lucky, bud.
Jake?
Who's a Jake?
Who's Jake's dominoes?
I like this gold one.
Would you like to use mine?
Alright.
No.
Hand me your the top of it at least. This is gonna be such a bad angle.
Sup?
You're just gonna cast a swivel around.
Who casts a swivel?
Alright, now you're not allowed to start until we start the timer. Alright, who is next? Who spun it next? Oh, Isaac. And you got...
Oh, that almost hit. That almost hit me in the nuts. That was hooked me in the nuts.
Oh my gosh. Alright, what did you spin for? I forgot.
I don't know.
I already... Oh yeah, it was MEP spinner. Alright. So you can pick any of the ones out of... Oh, I mixed them all. Oh no, any of the ones right here. In that little container.
Seriously?
Yep, any of the ones right here.
Look at all that.
Those are all MEP spinners.
There's a snake hole.
What's the heaviest one?
We're gonna have to hurry up though. And then do you want to grab yours as well? You got a Jake's domino, so one of those.
Ah! I thought there was still a hook on his.
Do I have to put power bait on?
Just put
What?
the swivel through
Am
the
I gonna have to put power bait on?
No, you got a MEP spinner. You used the MEP spinner. My goodness, talk about noob.
But I am not.
All right, I'm gonna rig up mine. Ooh, do I go for a bigger one or we're gonna go? Bigger. No, you're not allowed to start yet. And then we all need to kind of spread out. All right.
Yep.
I'm gonna switch to the GoPro so it's easier for it to rig up. Actually, I'll just rig it up like this.
Okay, we're gonna do the farthest one.
Alright, so Isaac will be right there. I'll be right there. You can be over there and you'll be right there.
I'm gonna go down farther.
Yeah. And then he'll be down there at the rock.
Pew!
My goodness, hold this. Just, I swear, careful.
Look at this dude.
Stop.
Look at this dude.
Stop. I'm just glad you're not zooming in.
I don't
Zooming
know how
into my
to.
face. All right. So I'm gonna go through. Canyon, come show me. I can't right now. All right. 10 minutes. Ready. Set. And go. 10 minutes and counting. All right, well, congrats to Isaac right off the bat for the worst cast ever. Starting it off really strong, Isaac. Yeah, he did, but it was like casted about 2 inches out in front of him. Do you need help?
I have like the worst. It's like the people who are on a diving board like 30 feet above.
Canyon, let line out.
And then they jump.
Flip the.
And try and hang on.
All right, there you go.
That's basically what you're
Now don't reel it up all the way, and then remember, flip the bail. Yep, there you go. But just make sure to cast more out in front of you. Or scoot down a little bit more, then. Hopefully battery doesn't die. Oh my, talk about the arc of a cast. He let it go right above his head and it just went. You can start this time. No, spin again. That was the worst spin ever. Jake's domino.
Yes!
Alright.
Thank you.
But no, you don't have to put it on there. You're going to have to put a lure on it anyway, smart one. Don't miss the ground. What did you get? Panther Martin.
What's that?
It's a type of spinner. Alright, here's my spin.
Take a spin. Ethan! What? You got a gallon up in there?
A Panther Martin, so I have to... Oh, so we both got the same one. Spin again. Here.
But I don't get it.
Because I don't think I think they're all in my random spinners. Come on, focus. Random spinner. All right. Anything in that top corner. All right. Here we go. Focus. A MEP spinner. You've outlined it on any lure you want.
Ha!
All right, then this is my spin.
So anyone I want?
No, you're MEPs. No, the MEPs. So it's which one again? Just a minute. I got any lure you want. Let's go.
Lucky.
All right, 10 minutes and counting, right? And everyone ready? Go. 10 minutes. I thought you said you already had one. I'm like, are you serious? Yeah, because then I would have laughed if he would have won out of all of us. I don't know when I'm gonna... This battery does. Hopefully it doesn't... this battery's gonna die right in the middle of this round. Wait, where did he cast it? If my GoPro dies and like at the beginning of the... Alright, who's spinning first?
Me.
No, me.
Normal.
How dare I spin before
I'm gonna get a Who's Jack's Dominoes.
Oh, you almost did. MEP spinner.
Again?
You can spin him again if you want.
Yeah.
No, frick.
Please, I'm gonna get a Who's Jake's Dominoes.
You got it. Oh,
No, yes!
MEP's again. All right, you're stuck with it. You spun it twice.
That's annoying.
You can use a different one. I can help you find another one.
Oh, that's fine.
A spoon. Wow, the first one of the night.
Yay, a spoon.
Night. Today's night.
I meant the day. You want to fight me, Ethan? The spoons are in the top. Stop! Don't hit my any lure you want.
Which
The spoons are in the top. The top one. No, over. The ones that looks like spoon. No, over. Yeah. Have you never used a spoon before?
No. How did I get maps twice in a row?
Yeah, I would say if you would have gotten something different, I would have been like, all right, go ahead and use something different. I got crawdad. Can you please stop being stupid, camera? Hello. It's all blurry. What the?
It's not focused.
Don't touch your
Oh, and my.
One.
I got a crawdad. I mean, it's a spoon. I mean, if you really want to use it.
I'm gonna use it.
Show me that. Show me it. Oh my gosh. Monstrosity of a freaking spinner. Alright, I'm using crawdad.
Oh no.
Pick any of the ones out of this
Do I need
one
power bait on it?
right here. No, why are you so... Oh my goodness.
Why?
Because I love it. It's
I don't.
perfect.
He freaking gets a... Alright, switching over to the GoPro. Quiet. Ready, set, go. Hey, Isaac, this is gonna be the quiet round, no talking. Oh my gosh. What? You're done? We'll take the lure off. I'm starting. Look at this.
Okay guys, thanks for watching today's video.
Alright, quit yelling.
Make sure to subscribe, turn on those notifications, and like. We'll
Calm
see you
down.
in the next video. Peace!